seafood mukbang / Q&A. That's what y'all want to call it. We got some questions. We looked up because y'all, yeah.
So I got.
Oh,
Well, before we get in this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell, and get notification when I post or upload anything on my channel, and let y'all answer the video. So Bree said, try this rice.
Y'all, okay, this seafood comes with the fried rice. See, yeah. It comes with fried rice, y'all. It's good. I'm gonna put.
It got vegetables in it though. So
I'm putting my rice in a bowl because I'm gonna cook. And I love seafood. If y'all don't know, seafood is my favorite food, like of all time.
So what you do? You eat this like this, or you dip?
No, you put the juice and stuff. You can eat it how you want it, but I eat it with the stuff. Y'all, I got snow crab legs with clams and potatoes. Real got snow crab legs with potatoes and sausage. Y'all, he don't eat crab.
Yeah, because I don't know how to eat them.
Me? Only like snow crab though.
Because I messed around. I ain't gonna say what I did because I messed around when I was younger. And you know the little square things that be in the crab?
Yeah.
The little fuzzy thing? I ate those.
That's why I don't like blue crab.
Yeah, so.
I want him to try clam, y'all. Clams, oh my god, are delicious. So I eat a lot of them.
I'm gonna take the first bag out. Right, you can do that and then. Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, so we'll keep the back right here. This is okay, y'all. So
you want to keep this?
What? Oh yeah, let me see the menu. Okay, so first question. Is okay. What kind of thing make you laugh? Like, what's something that makes you laugh even harder? For me, somebody else laughing. If they got a funny laugh, that make me laugh hard. Like laugh hard.
Mine's low key mean.
When people know that, I think I know it.
When
people fall.
Yeah. When people fall, that's the funniest thing to me. Even though I'm gonna ask is you okay, but I'm.
Woo!
I'm scared to read.
No.
Y'all got hot.
We got original.
Oh, Mom, you interrupting that video.
Oh.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Okay. What we were saying, because she can't mess out of me.
Yeah, mine's when somebody fall. I know that's mean or like it is funny because people, you know, every time somebody fall, they make that noise. So to me, it's funny, though.
There you go. No, this is so good.
Oh, if you had to rename yourself, what would you choose?
Okay, my name Briata. So I like my name because it's unique.
Yeah.
But
I'll change my last name. I'll do that too.
I'll change my last name to cause I'm not an oddball, but I don't know.
I like my name.
I like my name. I wouldn't, cause it's unique. Nobody really had my name. It's Briata, not Brianna. Briata, yeah.
And mine's Ontario.
That's very unique. Yeah, Antonio, yeah.
It's not Antonio, Ontario. It's Ontario. Like Lake Ontario, but with the A in the beginning. They already said that.
Wow. If you could be any animal, what would you be? I'll be an elephant. They don't forget nothing.
I said I'll be a...
I love elephants. Oh my gosh.
I'll be a dolphin.
Why a dolphin?
Because I can swim. Yeah, I'll be a dolphin. Because I'm going to say, yeah, because my favorite animal's in the sea. It's a dolphin, then it's a seahorse. So either one of those. But I feel like a seahorse would get wiped off on the shore quicker. So.
And people love dolphins.
Yeah.
And they don't get eaten really by sharks.
Yeah.
So, I'm good. Can you eat a clam? with some rice.
Yeah, I would try. What is your weirdest nickname you ever had?
Bob.
Bob.
Oh my God, I just said that. It's Bob.
Well, I had Moosey. I say that because
I know. Moosey.
Yeah, they used to call me Moosey. Like Rio and Tario, those not red. Those literally the last letters of my name.
Right.
So I would say Moosey. Or they used to call me. They said they used to call me Moosey. And what's that elephant with the big ears? The Dumbo.
Dumbo.
Yeah, they used to call me that because they said my ears was big. But I don't think I got big ears.
No, they actually. Oh my God, your ears are small.
They said I had big ears when I was a baby, so they called me Dumbo.
Oh, that's actually adorable. I like that one.
Those were 2 weird names I had.
Mine's Bob. I don't know why it's Bob, but it's Bob. Yeah, it's Bob. Yeah, that's weird.
But I'm gonna try to eat it.
Okay, that's funny. If you had to pick an animal, which animal do you find the sexiest?
A horse.
Horses are bad.
They beautiful, especially when they swing their head. They whip with it. It's a horse.
Oh yeah.
It's a horse.
That's a good one. Let me see if I can find. What would I say? I would say.
Or I would say a schnauzer or a Yorkie when they get
Golden
their head
Retriever.
down.
A dog, like golden retriever. A horse dog all the time. A horse is really pretty and real.
Yeah. A horse. Yeah. I say a horse.
That's a good one. Yeah. A horse. There go your clown. Put it right there. Put it right there. I really want you to try. It don't taste like the sea. Y'all, I love clams. I prefer clams.
Oysters taste like
I don't like the
sea.
oyster. I don't like they oysters. The place. I don't like they oysters. I like oysters that come in a can.
Alright, what's... Would you determine yourself to be nasty or nice? And why would you say so?
Like,
I'm just gonna say
mean
mean
or
or
nice?
nice. Yeah, mean or nice.
I say I'm a nice person. Do you think I'm nice? I say I'm nice because I'm only mean to people who try me. Don't try me. Other than that, I'm a nice person. I swear. If you speak to me, I'm gonna be happy and say, "Hey, how you doing?" Like, I'm a nice person.
Yeah, I say she nice. I think
mean.
I think I'm nice. I think I'm nice.
Y'all would say he mean, but he not meaning to be mean. That's how I would say it.
Cause I know, like, yeah, I really don't know why people dislike me. I'm being dead serious, like 100% real, but I guess, but I say I'm nice. Cause I know, like, sometimes I do when I talk to people, they think I say it mean.
Yeah, that is
but
true.
I don't be saying it in a mean way. They be like, I talk mean sometimes, but
yeah.
I don't think I'm mean. I think I'm one of the nicest people you can meet. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Okay. What do you wish you were really good at? What do I wish I was good at? Singing.
Yeah, singing.
Singing.
I was gonna say playing the piano and the guitar.
I like piano.
Cause even though I was in band, and you know, like the tests used to be based on the piano, and I never knew. So
I'll say singing or dancing. I really want to dance.
I'll say singing or writing music.
Oh my god!
So then I don't have to sing because I know if I get on the stage, I'm gonna be so scared. But I'll say write a writer.
That's a good one. I like that one. I really do. Oh, you got one. You can go to the next one. Next chapter.
It's probably the other way. Oh, my bad.
So by your fingers.
It said, what if you could be famous but poor forever? what would you do?
What?
So if you was famous but you was poor, well, like how?
How? If you famous, you gonna get. Well, you don't gotta be have money to be famous.
Yeah, you can be stunting.
I mean, I'm gonna make myself get money. I'm famous for a reason. No.
Yeah, we're gonna skip that.
I don't understand that. Excuse me. Yeah, I love seafood so much. I could eat this every single day for the rest of my life. If I could. And if I could. Oh. It's a little spicy. Yours spicy? You like your sausages?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't really.
Let me see. I'm about to go on the other thing.
Okay, where have you had to invite 4 famous people to dinner? Who would you choose and why?
Kevin Hart, because he is hilarious. He's my favorite celebrity of all time. I love you. Okay, Kevin Hart. I like funny people, so I'm gonna invite funny people. Kevin Hart, Tiffany Haddish.
Harrison.
Haddish.
I thought it was Harrison. Oh, that's T. I know, right? Oh, my bad.
Oh my God! Wait, say 4.
Yeah.
Kevin Hart, Tiffany. And Red a little bit. They're my 4 people, y'all. I don't know what else.
I'll pick Chris Brown. He's my
yeah,
favorite singer.
Yeah.
I'll pick Drake. He's my favorite rapper. Well, Rod Wade. Did I say his name right? Cause I be saying his name sometimes wrong. Probably no. I'll pick Rod Wade. I'll pick Sam Smith.
Yes.
And who else? Who do I like?
Who do you like?
I need somebody that's gonna cook. Cause I don't know how to cook.
No, that's
we
not
go
fair.
there and come to a box of pizza. Oh, and I'll pick Simon. Even though he vegan, that's my
Why would you want Simon?
Simon, I like Simon.
I'm dead.
Just 'cause I
Simon
like
Cowell,
him.
y'all.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see those questions?
The fuck? I don't know what that word means. Hold on, y'all. I don't know.
I don't really know how to eat this part.
I just put that in my mouth and just chew like.
Hold on, let me try this first.
Oh yeah, eat it with some rice if you want.
What is it called?
Clown.
Yeah, I'm gonna put rice on it.
It's good, Rhea, I'm telling
Can
you.
I'm gonna dig it out with a spoon. Eat this part, right?
Yeah, and then get that seasoning right there. I'm telling you to get the seasoning. I'm looking for some more questions, y'all. Hold on.
Alright, here go now.
It's really good. You ain't gonna taste nothing. I'm telling you, it don't taste like seed. Oysters taste like seed. Them or the oysters taste There's some more questions.
Oh.
It's good.
I ain't really taste nothing.
No, that's why you gotta eat the clown by itself. Get another clown. You gotta eat the clown by
I can
itself.
feel it. Like it's like a chewy texture. It don't taste like nothing though.
It's so good to me.
I can eat that. Nah, what's the other ones I be saying?
Oysters.
Yeah. Oysters? No.
Why not?
Remember on the egg, you can taste seed.
I like it on the egg though. Them the ones I like.
On a double egg, I'd rather eat them regular.
I like it. Okay, y'all. Hold on. I'm so sorry.
They say what TV show you watch, but I really don't watch TV.
Oh
Like
yeah, I don't watch
regular
TV.
TV?
Well, like I watch like Hulu. Like I like watch 911, Grey's Anatomy.
Oh yeah, I ain't watching The Walking Dead.
Yeah, so I like stuff.
Even
like
though it's
that.
not the same how it used to be. I only watch it for Daryl and Carol. If they die, I would not watch it no more.
Okay.
kind of more.
Okay, was it my turn to look or yours?
Yeah. Cause I just asked the TV show.
Oh my gosh, y'all keep
That's
following.
probably you ain't say Johnny Test.
Johnny Test, y'all, is a cartoon show. If y'all don't know, he's the only way. That's the only way I can go to sleep. He have to be on TV. That's the only way I can go to sleep. If he not on my TV, I will not go to sleep. I promise. Okay.
Oh, what state would you move to? I'm gonna ask that while you're looking. What state?
North Carolina or Tennessee. You already know I will North Carolina and Tennessee. I just want to be around a lot of horses and stuff.
Yeah.
I want to move North Carolina because Mr. Beast, y'all. I really want to meet him. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. Or Texas.
Yeah, but I want to live in snow. Even though I might be freezing to death, I want to live in snow. Like,
I don't think I can live in the snow because I barely can do cold when it's cold.
I like the cold.
Not me.
I want to live in snow. I'm tired of living in the sun every day.
Every day, y'all. Even in winter.
No,
it's cold sometimes. Though.
No, last year we had a winter for the first time in a long time.
Yeah. Oh, who's your favorite YouTuber? I have a lot of favorite YouTubers.
Mine's Red a little bit. If y'all don't know who they is, they're the outsiders.
Yeah, mine Red and us outsiders.
They my favorite. They're the ones I watch like every day.
Yeah, I don't miss their videos.
Yeah, I don't miss a video at all. I'll say Red a little bit.
And of course, Mr. Beast.
Yeah, and then Mr. Beast, but he barely posts. Like if it was like somebody that's like constant, it's Red a little bit.
And
sometimes they'll surprise you with 2 videos a day, and then Red got
and AMP. Hey, dude.
I don't know who that is.
AMP, y'all. It's they funny. They funny as hell. They streamers. Some of them are streamers.
Like gaming.
2K. But they combine. Now they a group and they call themselves AMP. It's really good. Oh, it's your turn. Y'all, these crabs so good. If y'all want to know where we got them from, it's a place in where we stay over here called Happy Crab. If y'all got it in y'all.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Y'all, I know this is gonna be so weird to say. Kevin Hart. I know it sounds weird to say that it's so small and stuff, but Kevin Hart is my celebrity crush. I promise you.
You know who mine is?
Who?
I really don't have one. Like right now, I don't.
Mine is Kevin Hart.
I don't have a celebrity crush.
Kevin Hart.
But I be like the celebrity I do like watch a lot. It's Lil Nas. He kind of funny, but he Lil Nas, the one who sing.
Oh, I know who he is. He be with James Charleston, don't know.
Yeah, he was with. He was. Yeah.
I know who he is. Yeah, he found me. I think that's him.
But I don't have a celebrity crush.
Mine Kevin Hart. Hey, no, you too old. In the future, y'all. Let me start. He is a happily married man, but I will be his best friend. What is your favorite cartoon?
SpongeBob. Look at the gap.
Test.
Let me stop.
Rio.
Yeah, SpongeBob. Because I got a gap just like him. That is SpongeBob.
Twinsies. I run in the family, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all can't see it, but I do. My shine hair.
Yeah, SpongeBob.
Or Miércoles. Miércoles. No, that's Wednesday in Spanish.
Okay, I say for SpongeBob.
Very Odd Parents.
Yeah, Nickelodeon. Disney, it was.
Oh yeah, that's how it should go. Yeah.
Disney.
I ain't got no.
Most of all these shows were kind of like human.
Miércoles. Well, y'all know what I'm talking about.
I must like the human. Oh, I say Fish Hook.
Fish
Or
Hook.
Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb. And then Cartoon Network, I would say.
Amazing World of Gumball.
All of them. Amazing World of Gumball. What's the one?
Teen Titans.
Yeah, the original Teen Titans, not the new one. The original Teen Titans. And then I was saying, you want another one?
I got a lot.
And then I was saying, here, all of them, all Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network. All those was good. I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I say that. What is your dream vacation?
I got a lot.
Like put your top, like.
I was just gonna say my top. I would have to say. I don't want to say the word wrong.
What?
The Maldives. It's something like Bora Bora, something like that, but it's called something different. It's so beautiful, y'all. I swear. Even though I'm scared of clear water, it's just so beautiful.
Yeah.
I really want to go there. That's when I know I'm up there, like, for real.
True.
What about you?
I have a lot.
Me too, that's what I'm saying. I got a lot. Paris.
Yeah, Paris. But I want to go to the UK.
Oh, UK.
Yeah.
Me too. I visit them. I watched a movie. I ain't got nothing against it. But I watched a movie and people went to Asia. And the Asians ain't want them in there. And they start killing every American, every foreigner.
See, that's why I'd be scared. So, you know, like some movies when you travel,
I'm
and
scared.
they always, a tourist always missing.
Yeah, and I'll be scared.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know about going outside the country yet.
Yeah, I'll stay to Hawaii, New Mexico.
Oh, yeah, I
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico, for real. I swear, real. If you could trade lives with anybody for a day, who would it be?
Oprah, and I would write a check for Ontario Williams.
I'm for real. I swear.
Oh my man, yeah, fast. I would write a check for me, no cap.
That's a smart idea.
I don't want to be you for that long. Just when that check clear,
I'm gonna have to do what he doing, cause
send me right back to me.
I want to go to a richer person, Bill Gates.
That's how I said Oprah.
I want to be that now. I'll be all the rich people and just write checks out for me, y'all.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. And do you like the snow crabs?
Yeah.
You eating them easy?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Thank you. So.
Okay, next question. Okay, if you was stuck on a deserted island, remember there's no connection or nothing, and you could bring one thing, what would it be?
You said no connection, so.
Yeah, I was gonna say because you gonna say your phone, so you can call for help. No.
A house. You said bring one thing. I'm making that house because I ain't gonna cut the L. I don't care. I'm be in the house.
That's a good idea though.
Bring me a house. I feel safe and secure.
But it ain't no cause you can get a grill.
Remember when Irma came? We was in the dark.
We had to cook breakfast on the grill, y'all.
So.
Grill.
I can do that. I rather no. Cause what you was bring?
I'm not even gonna lie. You know what my dumb ass was gonna say? Because when you said house, I was like, oop, my ass is dumb.
What you gonna say?
First aid kit.
Well, you might need it. But it's
but
like,
a house, you won't have all of that in the house.
Yeah, because you don't know what the wild animal did.
Yeah. Dang,
and I'd be scared that the island gonna flood.
For real. If you could be on a reality TV show, what would it be? Like, okay, consider reality. It's like, what's considered reality TV show?
Like Love and Hip Hop, Real World, Bad Girls Club.
Bad Girls Club!
Real Housewives.
Bad Girls Club.
I'll be on Real World. Or Florida Shore, Alabama Shore, whatever that is.
Florida Bama, something like that. I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Even though that show kind of no shade, it's to me it feels fake.
I want to be Bad Girls Club. Ooh.
They can low key get rid of that and bring back Real Raw.
What?
That
that show.
Florida thing. It just feels fake. I tried it. I was like,
I won't.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink? Strawberry Fanta.
Yeah.
What's yours? Because you don't like soda, so.
Yeah, I don't drink soda.
I love strawberry Fanta, y'all.
Right now, I'll say that dragon fruit with the lemonade. Dragon fruit with lemonade. No, but that one.
From Starbucks.
That one strawberry. Hold on, say that.
Oh,
right.
yeah.
The one with the, what is that? Arkadobi? Whatever
Arkachobi.
that lady said.
Arkachobi. I think that's a place. What I'm saying, Arkachobi. My leg went to sleep, y'all. If you could only eat one food, like one type of food for the rest of your life, what would it be? Seafood.
You said type?
Yeah, like a soul food, Italian food, like stuff like that.
Italian.
Mine seafood.
Cause I can eat pizza, pasta, salads, cause that's all parts. I can eat that.
I can eat
I'd
seafood
rather eat that.
all day, every day. That's mine.
Yeah, I really do that than do anything else. I mean, I love soul food, but
I do not like soul food. Like collard greens. Ugh.
Man, I messed it up with them with some oxtails.
Oh yeah, I love oxtails though. Yeah.
It's good.
I got so much potatoes. I'm a potato.
Where did you grow up at?
Tampa. Cause I lived all around Tampa, y'all. All around it. East, west, north, south. I lived all around. So I say just around Tampa.
Yeah. I'll say that, but then I moved out of Tampa.
You did.
So
I say
I grew up on the outskirts of Tampa.
Yeah.
The next city's literally over.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
like an hour or two away.
I've been in Tampa. That's spicy. I've been in Tampa my whole life, y'all. Never moved out. I went outside of Tampa, but never moved outside of Tampa.
So that's why, yeah, Tampa, it's home, but it's my least favorite.
This home, no matter what.
It's home.
It's home, but it's starting to get old, y'all. I love Tampa, though. Don't get me wrong, now. That's my city. In my city, way, love you better. Okay, my lip. You could. This is a good one. If you could watch one movie for the rest of your life, what would it be? I feel like mine is gonna be an action movie. So like, give me any Fast and Furious movie.
I'm trying to think of a movie that got a lot of movies.
That's why I said Fast and Furious.
I would say Wrong Turn.
Oh, see.
Because I like when he do that, that little laugh thing.
Real, this yo right.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it.
Don't touch.
Y'all see that? Oh my god, I was gonna eat your rice, Rio. And I was so comfortable with it too. Yeah, mine would be any Fast and Furious.
Tell me about your favorite childhood memory and what it made it so special to you.
Oh, that's a good one. I really remember. Let me think. Lord, look at my hand. Ew.
Okay, that one was spicy.
Which one?
Yeah, I'm on pasta. I'm thinking about
Italian.
that sausage.
A childhood memory. I had a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
When we all was in the backyard on stage, just all in the pool.
Yeah, when I was gonna say the one in 32nd, the house on the corner.
The blue house.
The blue house. We had that party. Or when we all went to the fair. And I got that picture that my mama
Oh,
stole.
yeah.
I'll get that.
Yeah.
Or we all got a whooping together.
And we come laughing and getting a whooping.
We got. They were like, "Come here." We had to go back twice.
Yeah.
Cause we was laughing.
Um.
Even our friends got a whooping.
For real?
It was, what's her name?
Amber? No.
Who was that? What's the name? The girl with the dogs. I forgot her name. She used to live over there. Bless you. Solid.
They burnt my nose. Oh my goodness.
What's your name?
Oh, okay.
My scroll keep going.
Oh, okay. On the question when you said if you could have dinner with any 3 people, who would it be? Dead or alive? I would have said Kobe.
I would have
one of
said
mine.
Michael Jackson. If I did that, I'll do a Virgo dinner. I'll do Michael Jackson, Beyonce, and Jennifer Hudson, because that's my birthday twin.
Do I have a famous birthday twin? Oh, yeah, Steve Wickles. Yeah.
Who?
Steve. Ooh. I don't see, what would you do if you won $1 million?
First.
I'm putting like half of it in the bank.
Yeah, I'm putting all in the bank.
Savings.
I'm gonna give Bree $1 million, and then I'm gonna get all my other families a couple thousand.
No, you got $1 million. They said
$1 million?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna have to give Bree half.
$500K?
Yeah.
I got $1 million and $500K.
And
That's.
I'll go back to school.
Yeah.
I will get a house, a car. I will move out of Florida.
Me too.
And I would tell my family, if you coming, you coming.
If you don't, see you later.
If you don't, I'm gonna give you this, but I'm out of Florida. Like that.
All of that.
All of it. I'm out of Florida.
Me too. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm leaving Florida.
I will come back, but the
So
visit, like that, but not to live.
I love Tampa. Don't get me wrong. It sounds like I don't love Tampa, but I do love Tampa.
Yeah, I love my city,
but it's just
it's time for something new.
It's time for something new. It really is.
Yeah.
Mm.
What would your superhero name be?
To the rescue. Okay, first I gotta pick a superpower to see.
Mars is gonna be Azadi Rio.
Oh, I like that.
Cause I'm gonna have all the powers in the world.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Mine
Even though that's like a script name, cause a lot of
it really do sound like
got
that.
Azadi.
Since I'm making up a power because my name is Breezy Bree, so I'ma like be like.
She's
like,
a hood super.
No, for real, like I'm gonna be Breezy Bree because I'm gonna be blowing air, like I'm gonna control the wind. So,
Oh, that's
like a
super.
breeze. You know, you get it like that. I just kidding. Okay, I gotta come off of my top of my head. If you could own like if you could own anything, like if you could own any business, what would it be?
Jeans. I always want to make jeans, like different type of jeans, stuff like that.
Mine would be a beauty, like anything to do with beauty, hair, makeup, lashes, toenails, like anything to do with beauty. I would get your girl up.
Yeah, I say jeans.
I'm almost done.
Yeah.
I got a lot of potatoes still, though, but I'm not gonna eat them. That's too much potato.
Oh, excuse me, y'all.
I should have elbowed him in his banana. Ooh. Okay. So, y'all, I love clouds. I like a food eating on here like that. I don't care though, y'all.
Yeah, that's the thing. I messed them up.
You did. I can't believe it.
Cause them crowds easier. If it's like the body,
I don't like the blue crowd.
the only thing I'm gonna eat is the claw.
Yeah.
The claw thing.
On blue crowd? I don't like blue crowd at all.
I'll just eat the claw.
I gotta change my pants before we leave. Look.
I'm changing all this because I'm still in my sleeping clothes, y'all.
Yeah, I'm gonna just change my shirt probably too. Y'all, we gotta take y'all on a day with us, to spend a day with us. We have
Got any more questions?
Oh, yeah. You can like swipe down so you can get home cooking. Why no work for you? You know, like that. Yeah, my lips feel weird. Almost done. Last one. What?
It ain't right, look.
Oh, hey, why not? Okay. Hey Siri, can you ask me a question?
Which one? Name bikini. Dress.
What?
Or nay red exclamation mark. Grinning face.
Never mind, Siri.
Okay, I won't.
What I was saying,
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Well,
we answered that.
make sure you guys like. Let me choose first. I was separated.
I'm trying to hurry up for gotta hurry.
You can wait too, you don't gotta rush. This man.
Okay. My lips feel so. You can see me looking at you. I'm full, y'all. I'm done. You can close it out.
Alright, so.
I'm full. I gotta mop my room now. What? Is it a straw?
It's a straw,
Oh,
but
I was
it
gonna
keep
say,
it
how
warm.
did you do that?
So before you guys, well, I say for guys to see this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell, leave a comment down below what kind of videos y'all want to see us do, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Peace. Ooh, I shot a bird. I'm so sorry.